So what I'll be doing is starting off this channel, right? This YouTube channel. It's been there. I have created it for a while now, but it's just been there, sitting, just been dormant, doing nothing. One of my passions is that I love affiliate marketing. I like the idea behind affiliate marketing where you can go in, get a good product, promote it, and you receive a commission. So I like that model. Uh, Usually you find with affiliate marketing there is a low startup cost. Right now I'm filming this from my smartphone. Over the years, right, I have purchased some equipment, some gear, purchased lighting, and I have a good camera, I have a tripod and all that. But because personally I always feel that I don't have much to say. So I would start making a video and then I would just abandon the whole idea. Many times I find myself setting up the equipment, setting up the gear, putting the camera together, getting everything, doing the sound check, and when I press record, I just lose interest. My name is Andy, and I have a thought to share with you today. Mindset is everything. If you are to pursue anything in life, you need to have that mindset. What I've noticed is that if you are scattered all over the place, if you are scattered all over the place, your thoughts are scattered all over the place, you won't achieve anything much, right? You'll start one thing and then you'll abandon it and go into something else and then abandon that and go into something else. I'm speaking from experience. It's a while now that I set up this YouTube channel, okay? And to date, as I'm recording this video, there's only one video on the channel. That video had to do with a niche idea I had before, which had to do along the lines of health products. Okay, and I'm promoting this one product. But since then I realized that the passion I had for that, or the passion I thought I had for that, I lost that passion. But my goal, my aim moving forward is this, right? I like teaching, all right? I like the idea of teaching and teaching people to do stuff. I like learning new things. So on my YouTube channel, the idea, my goal is this, right? To speak and to teach about affiliate marketing, right? Affiliate marketing, as you know, is a very good business model. And basically, you as an affiliate, what you do, you promote certain products, right? You go into a niche that you like, that you can relate to, and you get a product or products, whatever it is, and you promote those products. And as a result, if the person you're promoting, the person who come across your ad, your blog, your video, they love the product that you're promoting, they're interested in it, they click through and then you get a commission after they buy the stuff, which I find is good. And most of the big guys are still doing that today, right? So on this YouTube channel, my idea is that we speak a lot about affiliate marketing and how to better it. I want to also promote tools and programs as it all relates to affiliate marketing. So the idea behind everything is when you come to this channel, you'll be able to get videos that will help you understand how to do affiliate marketing. Also, they will have videos that will promote certain affiliate marketing programs and tools that you could use to build your business. All right. I want to look at that aspect of it in terms of the beginner. All right, the beginner. They will have some advanced stuff likewise, but in terms of the beginner, you someone who wants to start off a business online, this channel is definitely for you. Okay, so my name is Andy B. Calderon, and I'm hoping to be posting videos at least once a week. once a week as it relates to affiliate marketing. So guys, this is me, this is Andy, and welcome to my channel. Like this video if you like it, and remember, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? And I want to assure you that there are better things to come, better days ahead, as I'm just getting started with this. So I'll speak to you guys soon. Bye bye. Peace.